Yes, this is Angel from Coverage Markets on a recorded line. How are you? Okay, that's great. Well, this call is to check your eligibility for enrollment and to review your Medicare Advantage plan options. What makes you not eligible? What makes you not eligible? I'm asking to you. You're working, that's why you're not eligible? It's not making any sense. Like, you're working, that's why you're not eligible? It's not making any sense. Okay, no problem. I can call you back later sometime and you will be free, okay? Have a good day.